Hello there, it's VEDA day 28, and I come to you again from my desk, because, that yesterday was quite nice, so why not do it again? No, I mostly wanted to basically respond to two comments in video form. So first of all, Paula reminded me that I forgot a really important part about Linux yesterday, which is compatibility. Yeah, I will basically respond to that later and show a bit of how I use my Linux system. But first, Rachel asked what kind of hardware I use. I already answered that in the comments, but why not do it again in video form? So let's just take a look at my PC. First of all, we have a huge fan there on top of my CPU, which is an i7 950, I think, with 3 GHz and 4 cores. Then my graphics card, an NVIDIA GTX 680. Then 12 GB of RAM, 6 bars with 2 GB each because tri-channel, complicated, whatever. Then 2 SSDs and 2 HDDs, and finally a Blu-ray player and a fairly good power supply unit. So yeah, that's just what's in my PC. Now let's take a look what's around my PC. So first of all, my keyboard is just a Logitech Wave, I think it's called. It's a K350. It's pretty nice. I'll need a new one eventually, but yeah. Then Logitech, I think G500. Yeah, G500. Also pretty old, needs replacement, but it works. Then, next thing, I got a Steam controller. That one is pretty cool. I didn't have a controller for a long time. And Steam announced that it's going to make a controller. I thought, yep, I'll get that one. And I'm quite satisfied. It's not the best, I think. The Xbox controller, for example, I think is in some respects better. But it's nice. And it's nice. Then, of course, my new microphone. What do we have then? Oh, yeah. I need to get you down from there. So over here we got 61 key MIDI keyboard because end of last year I thought to myself, why not try to learn a little bit of piano? I'm nothing good, I'm still learning, but it's nice. And, oh yeah, the most important thing on my desk, basically, is my tea kettle, of course. No, really, that's probably the thing I use most after this stuff here. And finally, the big screen. It's just recording down there. Big screen I bought a month ago. Yeah, I think a month ago. Because it was my New Year's resolution for K. Anyway, last thing, my headset. So this was quite the investment. It's a wireless headset from SteelSeries. Yeah, I think it's really, really good. So the sound is awesome. The microphone could be better, but yeah, I got this now, so it's okay. But the most important part about it is basically just that it's wireless. So I can do this. Yeah, that's exactly why I bought this. To be able to just dance through the room. Yeah, I think that was it from my hardware side. So, let's get to the software. So, okay, let's take a look at what I do every single morning, basically. First of all, I open Chromium and Thunderbird, because, yeah, I need my internet and my emails. So, yeah, now I got 3 programs. Let's dip that on the second screen. And then I arrange it as follows. I need my Spotify down here, and I get my Steam down there for all my playing needs. As I said, mostly, so there are a lot of games by now that also run on Linux. And yeah, for example, today it was announced that Tomb Raider is finally available for Linux. I didn't expect that, but yeah, great. I can play Tomb Raider at some point, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So this is basically my, watch myself. So yeah, basically this is my everyday setup I have running. Then on the second screen there is are some programming documentation, and here's Google Docs, because, well, yeah, there isn't really a good Office package for Linux. You can use LibreOffice, of course, but I think it's not that good. It works for most parts, but yeah. So that's why I currently mostly use Google Docs, because it just works. That's also the reason why I still have a Windows install on my laptop for emergencies, when, I just need Microsoft Office, which is surprisingly still often the case. Then I have my stuff for work, for example, an IDE that I use quite often, and what else can we see? As I said, my PyDoc is basically my menu for everything. For example, there's a great program called Aranda, or Arandre, I guess. Yeah, but it's just for setting up your screens. So yeah. Then what else do we got? KeePass, which is my password manager, which is pretty good to have. Then some, Nemo is my file manager. That's also good to have. Multimedia, that's more interesting. So KDN Live is my editing software. So let's go to the next screen and open that. Yeah, it opens the project from yesterday. Yeah. So yeah, it's a pretty standard editing program with your usual tracks down there, available clips down here, and a preview monitor on the right side, and effects and transitions and stuff there. Then we have Audacity. That's the program I use to edit sound and everything. So yeah, you don't hear any background noises because I cut them out with Audacity. And I normalized the sound there and everything. Games Play on Linux is an interesting program. So yeah, with that you can run Windows programs. Not all, and mostly games have some problems and Office doesn't run there. But for example, Sims 4 I got installed there, and Steam install for stuff that only run on Windows. And that's basically it. Oh, maybe down here we got Skype that's available for Linux. I got OnCloud, which is basically my substitute for Dropbox, which was really great. Dropbox is also compatible with Linux, but I don't have it installed because I rarely use it. And Steam, and that's basically it down there. But yeah, to answer Paula's question, yeah, definitely compatibility is a real problem. But in my case, it's manageable, let's say. I only need like Office when I have a project with a lot of people and we need to write like proposals or stuff. Then I need that, but that's not often the case. Mostly I program. I can do that in any kind of operating system, so that's not a problem. Anyway, so, okay. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.